What's up, guys? Alright, so I did the VTEC solenoid gaskets a few minutes ago. Now I'm moving on to the injector O-rings. They're just in between the injectors and the fuel rail, and in between the injectors and the intake. There's 4 total, 3 each on each injector. So I'm gonna get started. Need a 10mm to pop off some nuts, and a little pick to get at these pain in the ass connectors on OBD1 injectors. So let's do it. Let's use a little pick. Kind of right here, you see it. So a little hook on it. Gonna get down in here and pull these little fuckers off. Actually, these don't even look like they have them on there anymore. So that makes it really easy, actually. Hell yeah! I guarantee you that's not normal. Grab a pair of pliers to help this connector off. I'm not sure it's ever been removed, so there we go, nice and easy. Also gonna remove this vacuum line to the fuel pressure regulator just so I can move this little harness out of the way. Makes it a bit easier to work on. Get these leaves out of here. You got 3 tins holding the rail onto the intake. Now again, I'm doing all this on myself. No one holding the camera. There's not any special magic trick editing going on. I'm doing this right here, right now. And normally I'd probably use air, but it's just a pain in the ass to get it over here. Not everybody has air, so it's nice to know that this stuff can be done with standard hand tools. Sure, I'm using Snap-on, but if you don't have Snap-on, Craftsman works all the same. So these are the 3 nuts on the back of the fuel rail. I'm gonna try not to drop them. Oh, yep. Oh, I heard it hit the ground, so we're good. It looks like this one is actually pulling the whole stud out, which happens sometimes. So a nut, the whole stud came out. No problem. Not a big deal. Now, I don't expect to go famous like Boosted Boys or anybody like that, but I know what the hell I'm doing, so I figure, you know what, this new build, I'll go ahead and document it. This one is, so the O-ring's all torn. That was the cause of the leak right there. Like I said, we're gonna do all 4 of them. It's just better to do it that way. This one's kind of chewed up too, just a little bit, not too much, but. All right. Come over here. So basically, we're just going to take those O-rings off and put new ones on. So I use just a little pick, grab down inside there, pull them off, and these little hats here, these little rubber guys, they come off too, get replaced on all 4. I got these O-rings from Advanced Auto Parts for the set of 4. I think it was like $45 or something. I would have went OEM Honda, but they were out of stock and they were like 4 days on order, so didn't really want to wait. Be careful, don't pull that little plunger out. Also be careful, don't stab yourself with a pick. Can't count how many times I've done that. You see the band-aids on my fingers. I actually was opening up the door to one of my Del Sols and the door handle broke and that plastic cut the crap out of me. And it did a pretty good number on my finger. Yeah, these O-rings need to be done. Who knows? They quite possibly the original, never touched O-rings. If I was a betting man, I'd say that was the case. These little plungers are just like little filters, kind of help keep the injector clean. So if you go to Advanced Auto Parts, B16, it won't focus right now, but 274621. Collect all these, trash them. Wait for the new ones. See, the kit comes with these little grommets that should fit into the intake manifold, but this particular one didn't have them stock. But I will put them on now, because that way get a nice fresh seal, no vacuum leaks. Alright, so they literally just kind of press on and they're good to go after that. O-ring, boom, right on. This little filter back in. Pull this filter out. Little seat. And the O-ring. Filter back in. Filter out. Seat on. O-ring on. Filter back in. Alright, that's it for that. Alright, so we got all the all the O-rings, new O-rings and new seats. I'm gonna go ahead and just gonna spritz them with a little bit of WD-40 to make them slide easy. Don't need a lot. And then I like to seat them inside the intake first. Wiggle them around. They'll see. You'll feel them. You'll feel when they finally slide in the right way. Number 2 here. Just kind of wiggle them around, slide right in. There you go. Number 3. There's that one. And number 4. Go over on this far side. Bam. And then just a little WD-40 on my fingers. Kind of put some there on the O-ring to make the fuel rail slide on easily. And just grab the fuel rail, line her up on the studs in the back. And all you gotta do is wiggle it, wiggle it, wiggle it, and it'll fall. It'll go right down, just like that. Grab your nuts for the back here. Try not to drop them, because you may not find them. There's that one. This one over here. There's that one there. This one in the center should have came off as a nut, but it came off. The whole stud came out. And then reverse order. There you go. These don't have to be terribly tight either. But you do want them tight. If they're not tight, you will know because it'll leak. Alright, there's that. Tight. One more for the actual rail here. FPR is kind of in the way a little bit. All right. Looks like my camera's on a 5-minute limit, so we'll stop here and restart. All right, so now we can bring this harness back in its place. Everything. See, these should really. They should have clips on them to hold these, but these are all gone. This one's all busted. So hopefully they'll stay on even after I touch them. So that's that, and your intake temperature sensor goes on, fuel pressure regulator, vacuum line, and this little harness connects there. You got 2 nuts, 2 10s. Hondas, it's a 10, 12, or 17, right? Oh, I dropped that one. Sometimes you get lucky and you find them. That's it. Injector O-rings are done. So let's turn the key on and make sure it doesn't leak. Number 3 was the one leaking, and it looks like it's good. So we're good. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna do the IAC valve gasket and cleaning next.